Just be out with us grocery shopping in Porto, Portugal. In this video, we will take you around Continente grocery shopping or supermarket here in Porto, so you can see what kind of products they sell and what prices they have.
And compared to the prices where you live. So without further ado, let's get in there.
Cantaloupe, half a cantaloupe, 89 cents. Watermelon, 139 per kilo and 293 per this.
This one is 9 cents. This is a euro 45. This is a euro 49. And this is a euro 79.
And it is very interesting how you have to reach for bread. So they have these sticks, they go in and out, and whichever bread you want, you need to push it to the side.
And we're getting 3, so we put 3 to the side.
And then underneath they have gloves, brand new gloves.
And there's a bag.
And the bag. So super cool. That is so cool how they cut bread.
Regular sliced bread, $2.19.
Oh, big pack. Big.
Also $1.35, $1.19, $1.99. Different prices. Bagel $1.89.
They also have cooked chicken here. There's different pieces of the chicken, and they go by different price, but it's 7 euros per kilo. And they also have rice here, 1.49 per kilo.
Cold cuts. This is turkey, and it's $1.79 for 200 grams. Turkey breast $2.69. Salami $2.89.
This cheese variety looks really good, and it's only 275 euros, bagging it. So they vary in price from 5.99 per kilo, 2.99 per kilo, 2.49.
Squid, larger sardines. Oh, even stingray.
5.99 per kilo. Who knows how to make stingray?
Salmon is $3.29. These are all frozen.
And of course, bacalao.
Bacalao, which is the salted fish. You've heard us speak about this before. $9.89.
And 8.
This is $8.99. Larger piece is $10.79. And here we have the meat section. And we notice the meat sections are usually smaller compared to fish, because what we did find out is that Portugal is the second biggest country of fish consumption. So these are all different cuts of meat. Pork chop, Angus. Chicken breast is $6.49. And here we have hamburger patties. I don't know what the cost of that is. Oh, that's $4.69. Ground beef is $3.99 per package. Pork chops is $2.14, and it varies by weight. $1.77. Chicken breast $5.40. 3 pieces of breast. 3 legs, chicken legs is $2.84. You have your typical yellow mustard. It's $1.99. ketchup is $2.40. Ketchup is $2.20. And of course, they have the cheaper style ketchup, which is $1.09.
And here we have wine section. We just came back from Douro Valley and we were staying in Regua. And this winery, Quinta Paseca, was just across the river, and here they're selling their wine in the supermarket for $6.99.
Box of wine ranges from $11 to $6.49. Beefeater is $13.56. Bacardi, a fifth of Bacardi is $16.99. Tanqueray gin is $17.19.
Look how cute this is. To-go wine, 55 cents, red or white.
Looks like a juice box. There's sangria is $1.79. And what's the size of this?
It's like a liter and a half.
1.5 liter.
The cheapest wine we found is $1.79 per bottle. And the most expensive, it comes even in a box for 55 euros.
So that's the price range. And champagne starts from about $2.49 and it goes up to
40 euros. Yeah, 43 euros is the
43
most
euros.
expensive bottle of champagne.
Okay. And everything in between, but
Yeah.
a lot of them are 4 euros, 8 euros, 3 euros.
Look at this beer.
Keg, mini keg of Heineken is
$15.89.
$15.89 and that's 5 liters.
The laundry detergent depends on brand and size. So this, for example, is $12.49.
And that is, what size is this? 2.7 liters. It's 2.7 liters.
This
It's
one is
$12.49.
This one is $9.99. Wow, they
And these are
also
the powdered.
have boxes. That's very interesting package, and it's $9.99.
We have aluminum foil for $2.63. And Ziploc plastic bags from $1.49 to $3.70. Dish soaps vary from $3.49 to $1.49. Actually, $1.39 is the cheapest I see. Oh, $1.09. This one here is $1.09. So that also depends on brand and size. This one is actually 89 cents. Paper towel is from $1.09 to $1.94 for 4. Then you have toilet paper. This is a 12 pack and it's $3.24.
Garbage bags, $1.19.
So you have a 6 pack of Sprite for $3.72. Fanta 89 cents for 1 liter. You have various juices. Lipton is $1.20.
Iced tea.
Iced tea $1.69 for iced tea, different brands. Box juices $84. Lemon, mango, different flavors.
Water
Water is $1.50
for the pack.
for a 1.5 pack of 6. 1.5 liter per bottle. 6 bottles, $1.50. And again, various juices, $1.29, pineapple, grape, watermelon. So different spices, varies different sizes. 158 for black pepper. A small garlic is 189.
So here's a little different packaging for Doritos.
So this
€1.
is pizza flavored Doritos. Of course, different types of cheese.
And
Doritos.
Cheetos sticks. Also looks a little bit different than from
And
the
that's
US.
155.
155.
Ruffles, different flavors, 179. Lay's chips, also 179. And of course, more beers.
Super Buck, in case you want one, it's 59 cents. Or €1 per bottle.
We also have Lay's potato chips. Big bag is $2.49. These are different types of sardines. They range from $1.89 to looks like $3.79.
99 cents.
All different types of sardines. These are sausages. Turkey sausages is $2.59. Wow. Comes in a can with water, it looks like. Wow. Interesting packages. This is $2.79.
And there are different brands and varieties. Looks like Portuguese people really like sausages in a can.
In a bottle.
In a bottle.
And also the can. Salchichas. That's 94 cents. Mayonnaise, Hellmann's mayonnaise, $2.19 for the small jar, and $3.30 for the standard size. And the ketchup is 89 cents.
Olive oil, 750 milliliters,
$2.89.
$2.89, and regular frying oil.
Frying oil ranges from $2.49 to $5.74.
Pasta,
That's-
$2.39.
And these are big boxes, $1.59. We have some ramen noodles, and they go from 54 cents to $1.49.
$1.09, $1.26, $1.19.
And this is for, trying to find the pounds here, 1 kilogram. That makes sense. 1 kg.
1 kilo
1
is
kilo.
2.2 pounds.
Okay, so 2.2 pounds, 1 kilo of rice, and
Wow,
it's
look at
119.
this
118.
rice. Look, it's already mixed with different vegetables, herbs, and this package is $2.59. Looks really beautiful. Oh, this is,
Flour.
wow, I'm actually surprised. All flour comes in a pretty small package, and this is 1 kilo, which is 2.2 pounds, and it's $1.59. They have it for $2.59.
And they also have for 85 cents.
But the amount of baked goods you'll find here in Portugal, I would think they would sell it in giant bags, but all the bags are really small.
Honey. So Nutella is $2.29. The larger Nutella is $3.49. This is your typical size. And they have the even larger one for $7.32, which is the even bigger one. You have honey, and it goes from $4.49 to $5.99. And here you have your typical instant coffee, the Nescafe. This is $6.14. And the smaller one is $2.84. Oreos, the family pack is $2.49. The smaller ones is $1.49. A bag of 4.
Cereal.
So we have different types of cereals. Special K is $3.65. Here we have eggs. So you can get 18 for $3.15.
You can get 12 for $2.68. Medium.
You can get 6 for $1.39. I guess these are organic. Medium to large. This is $2.15.
Oh, Corona, $1.67.
A bottle?
Yeah.
$1.67 a bottle for Corona. Monster drinks, $1.28. All different flavors. We have frozen pizza, $1.99, $2.99, $2.79. I guess depending on the topping, but it's in the range of 2 to 3 euros. $2.99, $3.99, $3.29. So you have a bag of potatoes for $1.13. You have red and you have white. You have mushrooms, $1.69. Pre-cut mushrooms is $2.89. It's always way more expensive. Cut your own mushrooms, people. We have baby spinach, which is 99 cents. Arugula is $1.09. Different greens in the packages. Romaine lettuce, $1.29. Sweet potato is $2.29. Onions, $2.19. Freshly squeezed orange juice. You can get oranges freshly squeezed in these bottles at 99 cents or $2.99 for a liter, or $1.79 for a 500 milliliters. So these are the different sizes. There's the liter, and that's $2.99, and it's freshly squeezed oranges. Yes, you can get it here. Pineapple, 99 cents. This one here is this comes out to $1.78 for half of a pineapple. Banana, $1.09. Okay, a bag of oranges, $2.69. Kiwi, I don't see the price. The kiwi is $2.99. This one here is $1.59. This is a good price because there's about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's about 12 count in here for $1.59. That's pretty cheap. Lime is $2.49 per kilo. Tangerine, $1.99 per kilo. Lemons, $1.99 per kilo. And 89 cents per kilo for oranges. Apples, $1.99. Green apples, $1.89. And the variety types of Fiji apples, $1.99. Granny Smith, $1.99. Pears is $1.49 and $1.99 kilo. Tomatoes is $2.29. Baby tomatoes is $1.39. The smaller tomatoes here, cherry tomatoes $1.69, which is a good price. Fresh herbs $1.39.
If you enjoy shopping with us here in Porto, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel for more Portugal videos.
Obrigado for watching and
Just be out with us.